Hey there, young artists! Today, let's draw and color 5 delicious fruits: a mango, an apple, some grapes, a strawberry, and a pineapple. Get your paper and coloring tools ready. And let's dive into this fruity adventure. Let's start by drawing a mango. Begin with an oval shape for the body. Add a small stem on top and some leaves. Now, let's add some color to our mango. Color it yellow with a hint of orange to make it look ripe and juicy. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring until your mango looks ripe and juicy. And there you have it, a delicious mango, ripe and ready to enjoy. Moving on to the apple. Begin with a circle for the body. Add a small indentation at the top. Draw a stem and a leaf. Now let's color our apple. You can choose either red or green. Fill it in with your chosen color to make it look fresh and crisp. Voila! An apple a day keeps the boredom away. I hope you enjoyed. Next, let's draw some grapes. Make a bunch of circles close together. Draw small stems to connect them. Now, let's add some color to our grapes. Use shades of purple or green, or both, to make them look juicy and delicious. Cheers to a bunch of juicy grapes! Now let's draw a strawberry. Start with a stem and some leaves at the top and heart shape. Draw tiny seeds all over it. Time to add some color to our strawberry. Color the body red with darker shades towards the tip and lighter shades towards the base. For a gradient effect, add some seeds with dark dots. Color the stem green with some brown for detail. Lastly, let's draw a pineapple. Begin with a crown of leaves on top. Add an oval-shaped pineapple body. Draw some lines across the body for texture. Now, let's color our pineapple. Start with a base of yellow and add some darker shades towards the bottom for depth. Add some light yellow or white highlights for a ripe look. Color the leaves green with some brown for detail. That's our pineapple. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring it. Keep on coloring and having fun. Thanks for joining us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun activities like this. See you next time.